abortions and Texas abortion clinics.
Susan Monacious today for the cause of life.
This will literally change the lives of millions in Texas. That's because the Texas law requires that most abortions be performed within the first 20 weeks of pregnancy.
At 5 months, many studies indicate these children feel the pain of their own deaths. It is our responsibility and duty to give voice to the unborn.
Pro-abortion supporters say the law hurts women. Catherine Miller volunteers with the Lilith Fund for Reproductive Equity, which helps low-income women pay for abortions.
Doing everything they can to